Experiencing issues with your second monitor when using a Lenovo docking station? This problem commonly arises from outdated drivers, faulty connections, incorrect display settings, or insufficient power delivery. We'll walk through the essential troubleshooting steps to quickly resolve these issues and get your dual display setup back on track. First, ensure all cables are securely connected to both the docking station and monitors. Use certified HDMI 2.0 Plus or DisplayPort cables for optimal performance. Confirm the dock receives adequate power, at least 65 watts, to support dual displays. Check for any bent pins or loose connections on the cables and ports. Outdated drivers are a primary cause of display issues. Use Lenovo Vantage to update the docking station drivers and dock's firmware. Alternatively, use Device Manager to update drivers. Update graphics drivers for NVIDIA or AMD. Ensure both NVIDIA and AMD drivers are current. Update dock firmware regularly to address compatibility issues and improve performance. Lenovo releases regular updates that include AI-assisted troubleshooters to automatically fix connection problems. Ensure your operating system correctly recognizes both monitors. In Windows, go to Display Settings and select Extend to use both screens. Verify that the screen resolution and refresh rate are correctly set for each monitor, such as 1920 by 1080 or 3840 by 2160. Also, disabling fast startup in power settings has resolved issues for some users. On macOS, access display preferences and arrange your displays as needed. HDMI and DisplayPort handle video signals differently. HDMI uses consumer electronics protocols, while DisplayPort focuses on computer displays with potentially higher bandwidth. If using HDMI, ensure your dock supports HDMI 2.0 or 2.1 for higher resolutions like 4K at 60 Hz. HDMI 2.1 offers better bandwidth for dual monitors. If one monitor is connected via HDMI and the other via DisplayPort, test each connection individually to isolate the issue. Disconnect one and check if the other works. Physically, HDMI and DisplayPort connectors differ in pin arrangements. HDMI has 19 pins in a single row, while DisplayPort uses 20 pins in 2 rows. Ensure cables are securely connected. Incompatibilities can arise if the dock's chipset doesn't match the monitor's EDID, Extended Display Identification data. This data tells the dock the monitor's capabilities, like resolution and refresh rate. The monitor communicates its EID to the dock, which then adjusts the video signal accordingly. If there's a mismatch, the second monitor may not display properly. Check the pinout diagram for DisplayPort to ensure all pins are functioning. Bent pins or poor connections can cause signal issues. If issues persist, trying different ports on the dock may resolve the issue. Some ports might have better compatibility with certain monitors or cables. An outdated BIOS on your Lenovo laptop can sometimes cause compatibility issues with the docking station. Check for BIOS updates on the Lenovo support website and install them if available. Ensure the dock is compatible with your specific ThinkPad model. Older docks might not fully support newer laptops, leading to second monitor blackouts. If basic troubleshooting fails, explore online communities like Reddit and the Lenovo community for user-reported solutions. Many users have fixed issues by disabling fast startup in Windows power settings. Look for users with similar Lenovo docks and laptops who face the same problem and see what steps they took to resolve it. These communities provide real-world troubleshooting tips that often work. If all previous troubleshooting steps fail, contact Lenovo support for expert assistance. Provide your dock's model number, laptop model, and a detailed description of the dual monitor issue to help support diagnose the problem quickly. Lenovo support can offer specific troubleshooting steps tailored to your setup or determine if hardware replacement is necessary under warranty. Check your warranty status using Lenovo's online tools and reference relevant case studies or forum discussions to expedite the support process and demonstrate you've tried basic fixes. Lenovo's support team and online resources can resolve most persistent dual monitor issues with Lenovo docks.